Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Zotero desktop installed, Word closed, and the Word plugin available. Open Zotero now, enable the Microsoft Word plugin from Tools, right arrow add-ons if needed, and restart apps. Once done, open your Word document and position the cursor where a citation belongs. This prepares both programs to communicate. Make sure items in your Zotero library have complete metadata, title, authors, year, because accurate metadata ensures citations and bibliography generate correctly in Word. Once the toolbar appears, click Insert Citation and type to search your Zotero library. Select the item and press Enter to place the citation. Then open Document Preferences to pick or change the citation style, Chicago, APA, or a journal-specific CSL, because style controls formatting. You can add page numbers, prefixes, or multiple sources in one citation. As you add citations, Zotero builds a live bibliography. This stays editable, so continue placing citations and adjusting references until your draft reads smoothly. To finish, click Insert Bibliography, and Zotero will compile all cited works into a formatted reference list at the cursor location. Once complete, use the refresh button anytime you edit citations so page numbers and ordering update automatically. If something goes wrong, Word toolbar missing, citations not inserting, reopen Zotero and run the plugin installer from Preferences, right arrow site. Also check Word Trust settings and restart both apps. If errors persist, export a copy of the document and reinstall the Word plugin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.